Alright, it took a little while, but we got there in the end. We've now got a fully functioning dash. And that includes all of the pilots. You'll have to trust me on the brake, but that's because I haven't got any fluid in the reservoir at the moment. But critically, the climate panel is working, so now I can turn the air conditioning on. I can turn the heater on. Trust me, it's on. I can turn the rear demister on, and the LED lights up to say that it's on. And this changes the air conditioning compressor speed, so I'm not relying on the dual pressure switch or the temperature switch. And of course, all of this still works. I can change the directions. So that's pretty good too. And most importantly, these don't work when the fan's not on, so there's definitely a way of making sure there's airflow across the system. So, we're getting there.